AI, it's at the core of everything we do. Every company says that, but I will tell you, we built it into the foundation of what we do.
I think it'll be an awesome kind of game changer for a lot of firms.
I think I'm losing my sanity. I'm headed straight for catastrophe. I keep on hearing this melody.
This is preventing a lot of duplicate payments. AI is the future.
And I think it's doing something new to me. It's time to get up and move.
AI, the value of it when done right, is that it's always working to help you perform better.
Together, we're not just reimagining a touchless experience for expense, for travel, for invoice, for end-to-end spend management. We are delivering it.
This is a real example of what we're bringing to market, where we are taking something that takes 30 minutes all the way down to just several minutes. Fantastic.
So Emburse AI offers a fully embedded experience. It's built into every single screen, and it's aware of the context and what needs to happen next.
Keep on moving from the left to the right, from the morning to the night, from the front to the back. Just a matter of time till you do it. Oh yeah, get up and move it. Oh yeah.
In terms of OCR and recognition and ability now versus when we started with Certify Emburse, probably almost 10 years ago, like huge improvements in that.
Today, we'll recognize this year's Champion Award winners.
AI can find patterns that even the best human auditor might miss.
Creativity is the ability to have an idea. We have hundreds a day. Innovation is the ability to get that idea done.
We were going fast in 25, in 26, we are going faster.